Para sa mga nabitin sa bakasyon nitong holiday season, here's something to look forward to ngayong bagong taon. Mark your calendars and file your leave requests in advance dahil narito na ang mga petsa ng regular at special non-working holidays ngayong 2025. Batay sa Proclamation number 727 na ilabas ng Malacanang, heto ang kumpletong listahan ng mga holidays sa bansa ngayong taon. Para sa mga regular holidays, January 1, Wednesday, New Year's Day.
April 9, Wednesday, Araw ng Kagitingan. April 17, Monday, Thursday.
April 18, Good Friday. May 1, Thursday, Labor Day. June 12, Thursday, Independence Day. August 25, Monday, National Heroes Day. November 30, Sunday, Bonifacio Day. December 25, Thursday, Christmas Day. December 30, Tuesday, Rizal Day. Para naman sa mga special non-working days, August 21, Thursday, Ninoy Aquino Day. November 1, Saturday, All Saints Day. December 8, Monday, Feast of the Immaculate Conception of Mary. December 31, Wednesday, last day of the year. Para naman sa mga special working day, February 25, Tuesday, EDSA People Power Revolution Anniversary. Para sa mga karagdagang special non-working days, January 29, Wednesday, Chinese New Year. April 19, Saturday, Black Saturday. December 24, Wednesday, Christmas Eve. October 31, Friday, All Saints Day Eve. Ang mga holiday na ito ay magbibigay ng pagkakataon upang magbakasyon, mag-relax, at makasama ang pamilya. Kaya naman, magplano na ng maaga para maging mas masaya ang inyong pagdiriwang sa 2025. For more updates, i-like and follow nyo lamang ang aming social media pages at CLTV36 Official at CLTV36 News. Ashley Punzalan, CLTV36 News.